And representing team Mama Mo.
Okay, drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, Robin in the lead position with that white car. Darren with the two-tone, Sylvia chasing him down. Robin, smooth entry into clipping zone 1, but just taps the wall, causing him to make a big correction, but saves it into clipping zone number 2. Let's see how he does number 3. But look at this, Darren jumps in, but goes offline, trying to get back in position. Oh, and almost taps Robin there, throws him offline even more. But look at Robin, clipping zone number 5, through the finish line, against the wall, clean, nice and steady, and back to the start line for both of these guys.
Let's see the second round. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Darren up in front, navigates the chicane, nice speed through there. Look at this Robin, waiting for his initiation. Boom, both of them initiate. Oh, it seems like Darren might have slowed down too much, getting too much angle in clipping zone 1. Also in clipping zone 2, but here they go into clipping zone number 3, and Robin gives him a little tap there in the transition. Into number 4, just about close it up. Into number 5, across the finish line. Robin, a great distance away, but I don't know if the lead run was that chaseable.
Winner, Robin.
There you go, Robin from Indonesia moves on to the next round.
Okay, ready? Lux is the leader, Nate is the chaser. Drifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Advantage to leader. Let's see the second round. Ready? Move forward. Okay. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Winner, Lux. Leave your car here. Next, Glenn versus Rio. Singapore versus Thailand. Rio is the leader, Glenn is the chaser. Okay, drifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Nice into number 2, here we go. Rio keeping a steady line into number 3. Let's see what he can do here. Fills it up completely once again. Nice shot from both these drivers. Lead car is doing a great job, but the chase car is also door to door with this guy across the finish line.
.75 advantage to Mr. Rio. Let's see the second round. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Go.
Alright, there goes Glenn from Singapore. Onto the main straight. Rio keeping it clean, but bumper to bumper. Look at this Big entry from Glenn. Ryu keeps it together into clipping zone number 2. Let's see what happens here. Ryu sticking to his door. Nice proximity. Nice transition. Gets right back into the pocket. Keeps that proximity into this quick transition. Nice job. Nice and clean. Big angle from Glenn again, but Ryu is not phased through the finish line.
Winner, Ryu. Now
Congratulations again to Ryu.
Nit versus Glenn. Nit versus Glenn. Glenn is the leader, Nit is the chaser.
Here we go, we're going to see more of Glenn right now. Glenn Yan from Team Hollyway, Haley from Singapore, and Nit once again from Thailand. Two international drivers battling it out here in Robinson Galleria. I'm trying to put on a great show for you guys right here. And once again, these are the top 4 drivers. These guys have come out top 4 going against 20, 30, so many drivers that tried to qualify for this event today, and they are coming out on top. Now it's just to decide who will take the peak spot on the podium to the very top, the first place position.
Victors ready? Glenn versus Nit. Victors and 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, Glenn launches off the line through the chicane really fast, and that causes Nit to crash. I don't know what the judges will say about that. Glenn had a clean start. Clean start through the chicanes really fast. I don't know if that pressure Nit into causing him back on top, hopefully. And here we go, orange car is on the line.
Okay, lifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, Eduardo in the orange GT86. But look at this, Sherwin closing the gap real quick. Eduardo into clipping zone number 1. Barely fills it up, and look at this, Sherwin getting onto his door, liking the angle, but gaining that proximity. Transitions into clipping zone number 3. Mirroring line there, but Sherwin really focusing on getting onto the guy's door, into the last clip, and cleanly off the line. Now we're going to switch them around. Sherwin will now be in the lead position. Eduardo in the chase position. Oh, we have a jump start. Canadian start is already jump started.
A little advantage to leader by 1 point. Let's see the second run. Lifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, we have Sherwin out in front. I think that was a clean start. But Eduardo right on his tail. Sherwin trying to do a big flick, gets 2 tires in, but look at this, Eduardo following his line, taps the wall, but gets even farther out into clipping zone number 2. With Sherwin transitions to number 3, just about fills it up, but Eduardo is following his line, gives him a little love tap there into the transition. Let's see the final clip. Eduardo diving in. Oh my goodness, let's see what the judges have to say about that one.
Okay, it's one more time.
There you go. It's hard for the judges to decide a clear win for that one, so we're going to do it all over again. The 2 drivers have learned what they need to do to win, so let's see what they can do on this take 2 of their battle.
Drifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Eduardo out the gate.
Ups.
Oh,
This time.
Just another reminder for all the RC drifters, remember, the countdown is 3, 2, 1, go. Once you hear go, just pause a split second, then leave the line. Do not leave on go. Wait until go is set, then you can start pressing onto the accelerator.
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, Eduardo through the chicane really fast, but hit this Sherwin right on his tail also. Big flip for Eduardo, and then Sherwin is right there through the flip zone 1, getting on his door. Lead so far from Eduardo. Big angle in the transition, which kind of catches Sherwin by surprise, but Sherwin not giving up. He is trying to get back on the door. Let's see on this last flipping zone what he's going to do. Clean run from Sherwin trying to chase down Eduardo there.
1 point advantage to 0.5 advantage to Chaser.
There we go, Sherwin putting on a great masterclass on how to chase these guys down. Here he is on the lead position. Let's see how he does out front.
Okay, drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
Okay, restart.
just make that go before you go.
All the RC drifters, another reminder from the organizing team here. Especially in the upper brackets, jump starting the second time around will deduct points from your run automatically. So please avoid at all costs. Please be patient. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. And then start rolling out. There's a chicane there. Jump starting will not give you any advantage. The chase car has a clear shot onto the track, so just be patient, navigate that chicane properly, and then let's have a good, clean run.
Okay, drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Sherwin going out, nice one. Eduardo right at the bumper, but I don't know if there's contact there, but Sherwin keeps on going. Filling up that flipping zone 1. Eduardo, straight shot into number 2 to gain that proximity, and Sherwin finishes flipping zone number 2 into number 3. But Eduardo trying to get that door back. Transitions. Ooh, has a stall up there. Getting too close to Sherwin, and Sherwin across the line.
Winner, Sherwin.
There you go. Green car moves on.